Okay, this is the Binsenberry CNC Flatbed Lathe, model Data 90, serial number 80104. It's new in 1990. It's 33.4 inch swing by 157 inch centers. We've got two steady rests here, roller type. You got hardened and ground insertable bedways for the carriage. The third way there is for the tailstock. The carriage is able to pass the tailstock in this design. That's your compound there. You can see it hasn't been hit with any mistakes. That's a 24-inch 4-jaw buck chuck. That's the Fagor control. I believe an 80-25. You've got 3 spindle speed ranges, infinitely variable up to 1200 RPM. That is your spindle hole. And let's run her. You're starting in the high range.
300 RPM.
300 RPM. As you can hear, it's nice and quiet. I'm right up in front of the machine now.
RPM.
500 RPM. It's attempting to shift it to the low range.
RPM.
30 RPM. Okay, so you saw the high range and the low range. He's speeding it up in the low range a little bit.
55.
55. Angel, the other chuck for this and the follow rest? The other chuck is over there? Now we're in the medium range.
100 RPM.
100 RPM. So now you've seen the low, the medium, and the high range. And we're in the medium range now. So let's jog it around a little bit.
It's 250.
Oh, it's changing the RPMs. 250 RPM.
High end of the medium range.
High end of the medium range. Very nice. He's moving the carriage, the Z the other direction. That's your X.
That's
X-axis.
And wheel.
And wheel. He's moving it in what, tenths?
That should be 1,000.
1,000ths.
Higher feed.
Higher feed. Okay. Oh, here's the follow rest, by the way. It's attached to the carriage. And I am going to show you inside the electrical cabinet. Everything is here and original.
These are the servo drives, X and Z. Motor starters here.
Yep. Okay. That's the back of the machine. And that's essentially it. Thanks for watching the video.